What's going on YouTube? Travis Thompson here, Appalachian RC. Yeah, we got that big beautiful T28 Trojan 1.2 meter from Horizon Hobby. And guys, I got in it this morning and flying it. Figured I'd take it up. You know, it's about, right at sunrise this morning. Oh yeah, we're using a 3200 Turnigy too, guys. So but anyway, what I was saying, I flew it just a little while ago. Went to put the landing gear up. One of the landing gears dead. The one that's sticking, the right side, it's this gear over here, will not go up. You can click it. I can sit there and listen to it. When you click it, you can hear it in there clicking, but it won't move. And it's, thank goodness, it's stuck down. So, that's fine. I'll fly with it with the landing gear down. But everybody knows this thing has reverse thrust, and I'm only using the DX6E, guys. So now I don't have landing gear. So guys, check this out. Yeah, guys, we got reverse thrust now, baby. I figured, heck, since I didn't have the gear, and I've got safe on my flap, so I said, I'm gonna try this reverse thrust out. So I'll just get her up and play and do a couple of landings with this thing. I want to do some reverse thrust. And this will be a maiden for me on it, guys. I've never flew it with the reverse thrust active, so I hope I got everything right, guys. Here I am, see it? Here I am trying to put the gear up, knowing better. And yes, I moved my reverse thrust. I was going to put it on the gear channel, and I know me. First time I'd have been took off out of short of world, I would have went to go to put the gear up, and there I'd have been in reverse thrust. But guys, let's do a landing and try this out here. See how it works. Whoa, that is awesome, guys. Oh goodness, that is so cool. Oh, that is so cool. Here, we'll take off at 2 this time. Like that brake being on, but I guess that's part of it. I guess you gotta have it for part of that, I guess, huh? Oh, that is so cool. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, that is awesome, awesome, awesome. I love it. I'm definitely gonna have to get me a DX8 or an NX81. Let's do a full blast, guys. See how fast she is. I know that landing gear is gonna cause a little drag, but it wasn't too bad though. You can see it's a little more draggy, I guess you could say, but don't bother me, guys. I'm just happy that it was down, it done it while it was down, so. Ooh, I've got blinded. Thought I was going to go in safe for a minute, but this thing's such a blast, man. It really is. And I feel like the wind's starting to blow. That's not good. See how she does inverted with the gear up. It's pretty good. Pretty good. That's what I was afraid of, guys. See what I just done? Man, we check out the propeller a little bit. I was in it a little bit too fast. Oh yeah, I skipped her up a little bit. Man, that sucks. Oh man, that is so cool, guys. I love this thing. That is so bad. It's bad to the bone, guys. Bad to the bone. Yep. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Man, that thing's sweet, guys. I hate that my daggone landing gear is not working, or my retract's not working, but man, landing gear is pretty cool. Or reverse thrust is pretty cool. And people said, oh, you can't use a DX6 in reverse thrust. You ain't got the many channels, plus it ain't set up for it or something. But, you know, I guess mine's already updated, you know, which I bought my controller used. So I guess I think the guy that had me done an update. I guess that's what it was about. I don't really know. But anyway, guys, she's working. No retracts, but I got reverse thrust now. So I guess it works. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. I sure do appreciate it. Thanks for all my subscribers. And if you ain't subscribed yet, guys, hit that subscribe button. We always got crazy content coming every once in a while, crashes. You never know what happened on this channel. Anyway, guys, safe flying and God bless till we do it again. Bye-bye-bye.